What's up people, Varun here. So today I'm reviewing a gaming laptop for you guys. This is ASUS TUF F15. So this particular model comes with Intel Core i7 11th gen processor, 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of SSD. In terms of graphics, it comes with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 Ti with 4 GB of video RAM. So without any further delay, let's crack the box open, check the laptop out, and then let's jump to the review. All right, let me open this up. All right, so this is the laptop, and let's see what's here on the right. Okay, this is the power cord, and I think, yep, this is your charger, a normal barrel charger. Yep. So let me put that aside. What's this? Now let me pull the laptop out. All right, so this is, I think, gray color on top, gray finish on top, which looks really nice. TUF logo here on top lid. Let me open this up. All right. So yeah, as you can see, Core i7, RTX 3050 Ti, Wi-Fi 6, Thunderbolt 4. WASD keys are obviously highlighted, and this is a 15.6-inch device. All right. Anything else in the box? Yep, some paperwork, and that's it, I think. Yep. So in the box you get the laptop, some paperwork, and power cord and a charger. Now let's jump to the review. Hello people. So today I'm going to be reviewing ASUS TUF F15. This is a 144Hz gaming laptop by ASUS, and it is powered by Intel Core i7 11th gen processor, 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, 1 TB of NVMe M.2 SSD, and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 Ti with 4 GB of video RAM. I had the pleasure to spend some time with this beast, and here is my in-depth review. First off, let's talk about its build quality and design. The name of this laptop is ASUS TUF F15, and the TUF moniker stands for its ultra durable chassis, which meets rigorous MIL STD durability standards, resisting everyday knocks and bumps. At 19.9 mm, the chassis of the F15 is super slim, which makes this laptop quite easy to carry around, and at 2 kgs, the weight is manageable for a 15.6-inch gaming laptop. The design of TUF F15 is quite subdued. From far, it does not give you the impression that it's a gaming laptop at all. But when you look closer, you can see the design elements which makes this a wolf in a sheep's clothing. Clean lines define the look and feel of the new TUF F15. The lid and the interior are grey in color, which looks good. The simple typography stands tall against bold grey background on the lid. The F15's construction is entirely aluminium, which makes this a really premium offering. The hinges are rock solid, and there is absolutely no flex on the keyboard. This is put together really well. The bezels are thin on the top and the sides. Bottom is little heavy with ASUS logo slapped right in the middle. The back of the laptop is comprised of rubberized feet and speaker grills. When it comes to vents, there are 4 on F15, 2 on the back and 1 on either side to increase the airflow, which keeps this laptop cool during extensive hours of gaming sessions. It's the most portable TUF gaming laptop to date, 10% lighter and with a footprint 20% smaller than standard TUF gaming models, without compromising performance. Now let's talk about its display. One of the main highlights of the new TUF F15 is its display. You can experience sublimely smooth gameplay on this blazing fast 15.6-inch 144Hz display. It is a full HD 1920 by 1080p IPS panel with a 16 by 9 aspect ratio. Everything looks great on this display, and with the support of adaptive sync and combined with 63% of sRGB color accuracy, it allows your games to look incredibly smooth, eliminating any visual tearing while still maintaining great color accuracy. The viewing angles are great on this display panel and will be a visual treat if you're consuming content on YouTube, Netflix, or any other OTT platform. The display, however, does not get super bright, but it's strictly not a limitation. The nits count is 300. Overall, for gaming, you can't ask for a better display experience than this at this price point. Now comes the main part for which you have all been waiting for. It's gaming and overall performance. The TUF F15 is equipped with the brand new 11th Gen Intel Core i7-11370H CPU and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 Ti GPU with 4GB of GDDR6 video RAM. There is also 16GB of DDR4 RAM, which will help you in multitasking with ease, and you can chew through the game load times with the help of the super fast 1TB of NVMe M.2 SSD. TUF F15 is always ready for action, whether you're gaming, streaming, or just doing normal tasks. Graphics are amazing with a cutting-edge GeForce RTX 3050 Ti GPU with Dynamic Boost 2.0 that reliably delivers high frame rates. I tried several games to showcase the prowess of this beast. To start off, I tried Cyberpunk 2077 with high settings and was constantly getting frame rates upwards of 100. Apex Legends, super high settings with frame rates upwards of 200. Doom Eternal on high settings with impressive frame rates. Hitman 3, super high settings with frame rates above 100. And some other games as well. Never once in my entire testing have I noticed any irregular frame drops or stuttering. The gameplay experience was smooth even in the most demanding AAA titles, which goes to show how capable this machine is. Overall, 10 on 10 when it comes to the gaming experience on the new TUF F15. Now let's touch base on its cooling. ROG Intelligent Cooling Solution is a total solution for managing thermal output efficiently while achieving the highest possible performance levels. During my testing, the CPU temperature never went upwards of 90 degrees. No thermal throttling observed thanks to the efficient hardware cooling solutions. The fan noise is noticeable when it's under heavy load. If we talk about its battery life, thanks to 76 Wh battery, this can easily last between 4 to 5 hours before needing a charge. With the battery saver on, you can eke out 7 to 8 hours from this. If you are gaming on battery, then it will last for less than 1.5 hours. A full charge will take anywhere between 1 to 2 hours thanks to the included 180 watt barrel charger. Type-C charging with up to 100 watts power delivery is also possible on TUF F15. Moving on, now let's take a look at the keyboard and the trackpad. The keyboard layout is quite neat. On the top, you have 4 isolated hotkeys for volume up, down, mute, and armory crate. Then there are highlighted WASD keys. The key travel is 1.7 mm, which allows for effortless keystrokes with the potential to increase the input speed. This keyboard does not get hot as the fan is located underneath the WASD keys, which allows it to generate airflow through the board, keeping crucial inputs cool. The keyboard is also backlit with 3 stages of brightness management. The trackpad is made of plastic and is quite small. Since this is a gaming laptop, I assume you will be using a mouse 99% of the time. But for that 1% of the time when you are using the trackpad, it gets the job done. The trackpad supports Windows gestures and the gliding is smooth. Next up, I/O situation. On the left, you have your charge port, RJ45 port, HDMI 2.0 port, USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A port, Thunderbolt 4 Type-C display port which support power delivery, and a audio combo jack. On the right, you have your Kensington lock port and 2 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A port. In terms of upgradability, there is good news. The extra SODIMM and SSD slots are readily accessible beneath the bottom panel, making upgrading your system yourself easy. Lastly, speakers. Speakers are bottom firing and are quite loud thanks to DTS-X Ultra High Fidelity audio. Alright, time for final thoughts. I have just one thing to say. In terms of raw performance, nothing can beat TUF-F15. All your AAA games will run without any issue and with impressive frame rates. The slim chassis and design makes this easy to carry around, and that gorgeous 144Hz display makes watching content and playing games enjoyable. The only thing where it is lacking is on extra bells and whistles, like it does not have a fingerprint reader, neither it is equipped with the webcam, but the performance which comes out of this machine dwarfs those limitations. Every time you game on TUF-F15, it will bring a smile to your face, and that's all you want, right? Just go for it and you will be a happy camper. Alright guys, this is it for the review. Let's hang out in the comments section below and fire all your questions if you have any regarding the ASUS TUF-F15. And yes, please like and subscribe as it helps out the channel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.